Okay, so how far to our next stop?
It says 450 miles.
So that's like 5 hours, right?
Are you kidding?
No, maybe a little under.
You know, Olivia, you have one speed, and it's fast.
Speaking of fast, we gotta go. The show's starting.
Hi, I'm Tim Baldwin,
And I'm Olivia Perez.
host of Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy, brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning.
We zip around the country in this motorhome to talk to homeowners about how to make smarter heating and cooling decisions for their homes.
We're getting ready to head to our next destination, and I have a feeling that Olivia here will get us there a lot faster than if I were driving.
But before we speed off, this would be a great time to talk about speed options as they relate to heating and cooling systems.
In particular, Amana's variable speed technology, which is designed to be the best. And it's important that you know this, since up to 85% of the year, your home's furnace and AC system may not need to run at full capacity.
That's right. Full capacity may only be needed on the hottest or the coldest days of the year. But before we go into variable speed units, you should understand the difference between single speed and variable speed heating and cooling systems.
Single speed HVAC systems have only one type of heating and cooling output.
It goes on at full capacity and it goes completely off. There's nothing in between. It would be like driving this with only one gear and the brakes. Impossible!
Single speed systems can be very costly in your energy bill, since every time your heating or cooling system turns on, it's consuming the maximum level of energy.
That can lead to high heating and cooling bills.
Whoa, slow down. There's a solution. Variable speed systems.
Yes, they're designed to be much more energy efficient because they operate at a lower speed for the majority of the time in most climates.
When the outside temperature increases or decreases and the lower speed is not enough, the variable speed increases to full capacity, if needed.
It would be a good idea to talk to your local independent Amana dealer about Amana brand's variable speed options for heating and cooling systems.
Yeah, you don't always need to be running on full speed.
Except now. Let's go, Tim. I gotta put the hammer down.
Okay, I'll buckle up.
But within the posted speed limit, of course.
So long from Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy. See you next time.
Maybe sooner than you think.